Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I'm back with another video, and today we are going to learn about articles. Okay? An article is a word that comes before a noun. They define whether a noun is used in a specific context or general. Okay? Now, as you know, the English language has two kinds of articles. The first one is indefinite articles, okay, which means a and an. Alright, and the second one is definite article, that is the. Alright, so basically articles are a, an, and the. Okay? Now, when we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we generally use the indefinite articles, that is a and an. Okay? But when we speak of the same person or thing a second time, we use the definite article the. Okay, so when we talk about something for the first time, we use articles a and an. But when we speak of the same person the second time or again and again, okay, or the particular person, we use the. Alright. Now, the indefinite articles are used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. These are a and an. For example, a man saw a boy riding an elephant. Here you see for all the nouns like man, boy, elephant, we are talking about them for the first time. We are introducing them. So we will use a and an. Alright, so a and an are used for non-specific nouns or non-particular. Okay, for introducing nouns. Like a man saw a boy riding an elephant. Now, the definite article is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. Okay, this is the article the. Alright, for example, you see the man punished the boy riding the elephant. Now here we are talking about the particular man who saw the boy riding the elephant. Okay, that's why we have written here the, because we are talking about the same man. Alright, he punished the boy. Again, we are talking about the same boy riding the elephant, same elephant. Okay, I hope definite articles and indefinite articles are clear to you. Okay, and where they are used. Now, the usage you see, a is used before singular noun. Okay, one, before one noun, one, we use a. And words beginning with consonant sounds, consonant letters, okay, and sounds. Don't go for the letter only, always go for the sounds also. Okay, like example you see a boy, boy, B, consonant. Okay, unicorn, here you see U is given. Okay, vowel, but we are using A here because the pronunciation is consonant. It has consonant sound. U. Its pronunciation is like Y-O-U, U. That's why it will be A. European, same U, means Y-O-U, a European. Okay, don't see E. If you will see just E, you will think that E is a vowel and you will write an, but it's wrong. Always go for the sound. Okay, European. Next, a university. Here also university. Y-O-U. Okay, sounds like consonant. A 1 rupee note. Wa. Here, though O is given, okay, vowel, but pronunciation or the sound is like W. 1 rupee note. Okay. Next is a hero, etc. Okay. Now, an is used before singular nouns. Same. Before singular noun, both a and an are used before singular nouns. And second, words beginning with vowel sounds. Okay. Now, an we will use before vowel sounds. Alright. Now, for example, you see an egg. Egg, vowels is there. Okay. E. And also sound is like vowel. Alright. An ox. O, X. And O sound is also vowel. Okay. An honest man. Honest. Though H is written, but H is silent. So pronunciation is honest. O. O. An honorable man. Here also H is silent. Okay. An umbrella. Here also U is given and the pronunciation is also like umbrella. Okay. Vowel, etc. Now, use of the. The we use for variety of purposes, okay, other than particular context. Alright, we know that we use the for referring to things when we are talking for the second time. Okay, but other than that, we use the for variety of purposes. Like for first, you see, when we refer to some particular person or thing, this is the first one I have told you already. Like example, the girl standing at the corner is my cousin. I'm not talking about any other girl. I'm talking about the girl who is standing at the corner. Okay. So, the is referred. Number 2, when a singular noun is used to indicate a whole class or community. Okay. When a singular noun is used, but it is used to indicate the whole class or community. Like the dog is a faithful animal. Okay. Though we are writing here dog, but we are referring to all the dogs. Okay. So, for that we will use the. Third, before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges and groups of islands. Okay. For all this, before all this we use the. Like the Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, the Himalayas, etc. Fourth, before the names of newspaper and sacred books. Before the names of newspaper, like Assam Tribune is the name of a newspaper. Okay, so we will write the Assam Tribune. Then sacred books or holy books, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, etc. Fifth, before names of unique things. Okay, before the names of unique things, we write the. Like the moon, moon is a unique thing. Sun, the world, etc. Sixth, before names of important buildings and monuments. Okay, we use the. Like the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal, etc. I have given here some questions to test your understanding. Okay, so we will solve it together. Like number 1, what is given? I bought dash few toys for the children. Okay, so what will be? Which article will be used here? I bought a few, because few is given. So a few toys for the children. Number 2, dash Nile is dash longest river in Africa. Nile is the name of a river, and I told you before river we use the. So the Nile is the longest. You have read in art adjectives that before superlative adjectives we always use the. So in both the places the will be used. Third, I bought dash encyclopedia. It is dash encyclopedia that we read together in the library. Now first, for the first time I am talking about encyclopedia. So I bought an encyclopedia. Okay, and then we are talking about the one particular encyclopedia that we used to read together. So next one, it will be, it is the encyclopedia. Okay, now we are talking about the same thing for the second time. So the will be used. Number 4, dash cow is dash useful animal. Now cow, I'm not talking about one cow only, I'm talking about the whole class. So the cow is dash useful animal. Use, again U, it sounds like YOU. Okay, so A will be used. A useful animal. Okay, I hope you have understood the usage of A and the. So students, in book number 3, page number 18, you will see there are 2 exercises of articles. First exercise, you will have to fill in the blanks with indefinite articles only, and in the second exercise, you will have to fill in the blanks with suitable articles. So you will have to do both the exercises. Okay.